Hala, nag-trending yung Manuka cream ni Bella Amorskin. At ganito yung nangyari, yung flare up ng higad niya. Grabe. At credits po sa owner ng picture na to, sa owner po mismo ng Bella Amorskin, Manuka cream. Ito yung topic natin for today about Manuka cream. Grabe, ng non-steroid moisturizer cream na to, or itong Manuka cream ni Bella Amorskin. Grabe, talaga yung magic ng Manuka cream ni Bella Amorskin. Napaka-versatile. At syempre, pwede to talaga sa lahat ng skin problems. Mapa-moisturizer ng face, ng katawan, ng pang-eczema, pang-psoriasis, pwede rin siya sa pimples at higit sa lahat, pwede rin pala talaga to sa panghigad, kung ano man yung mga problema mo sa skin mo or skin problems. These are the ingredients of Manuka cream of Bella Amorskin: santan gum, aloe vera leaf juice, coconut oil, shea butter, Manuka honey, vitamin E, vitamin B2, vitamin B5, vitamin C, green tea leaf extract, calendula flower extract, olive oil, tomato extract, avocado oil, carrot seed oil, and baking soda. Here are some of the benefits of this Manuka cream of Bella Amorskin. Prevent dry, rough, flaky, and itchy skin, soothe the irritated area, scar eraser, universal cream all-in-one, moisturize skin, fight pimples, blemishes, reduce sign of aging, prevent wrinkles, revitalize skin, and regenerates collagen, prevents heavy oil production, possesses natural healing properties with natural anti-inflammatory properties, lessen redness of skin, natural antibacterial properties, improves skin discoloration, improves skin tone, makes more skin radiant, helps lighten skin with natural bleaching component, softens skin, protects your skin barrier, full of organic emollients that helps with persons with any skin diseases like psoriasis, eczema, hydrate skin and lock in moisture, organic 100%, and safe for all skin types. Grabe talaga ang magic ng Manuka cream ni Bella Amorskin. Kung naghahanap ka ng product na pang katikate, pang psoriasis, pang eczema, pang insect bites, at safe to use for babies and kids, at syempre panghigat at kung ano-ano pa man, magmanuka cream ka na ni Bella Amorskin. Sa mga interesadong bumili ng Bella Amorskin Manuka cream, you can see the yellow basket dyan sa ibaba at bumili na kayo. At wag nang magpahuli na maging trending din kasama ni Manuka cream Bella Amorskin.